Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Explorer wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. This towel will protect your windshield from scratches. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface. It's important to know the correct lengths for both the driver's and passenger's side blades before you begin. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, find the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. Repeat this process for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Carefully align the connector of your new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Avoid letting them drop. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe the blades as they move across the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving any streaks. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.